You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do, but sometimes I can't be there.
Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back to my channel and to my latest Motivation Monday. Today I am getting myself seriously motivated. I've been on the sofa for a week, hit by a sickness bug and a lack of motivation, and I am getting over it. So come along with me to sort out my house. The first thing I want to do is just fill up my cleaning dispenser. Yeah, I am cleaning a cleaning tool here, but like I said, I really want to get my house to a fresh restart. So I'm filling it up with some all-purpose flash cleaner. I can't remember which scent this is. I want to say it's Lily something, but it smells lovely, whichever one it is. So it's all clean and filled up, ready to wipe down all of my kitchen surfaces. Something as simple as this I have not even been able to do, where I've just been so wiped out. So this feels really good to get me started.
It was best, baby, can't you see? Can be there when
I'm also just going to clean my little soap dispensers here in the little bamboo tray that they sit on. I haven't cleaned these for a little while now, so I just want to give them a bit of a scrub.
don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please.
Going to continue to wipe down all of the surfaces in the kitchen, and then I'm also going to wipe down our breadboard that we use multiple times a day making stuff for the kids. I'm going to give that a good clean as well, and just generally tidy up. I love starting in the kitchen. It always gets me ready to go.
It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
You guys know I love a good sink clean. I was definitely going to do this today, and I'm just going to use my Dishmatic to wipe down the sink, get rid of any stuck on food bits or anything like that, make it nice and shiny, and get me feeling so motivated. What is it about a shiny clean sink that just changes your mood completely?
No lies, a daughter of the sunshine.
I want to wipe down the windowsill behind the kitchen sink as well. I think it's where the light is hitting it at the moment. I can really see like all of the marks and the dust gathering on there. It's just bothering me. So I'm going to wipe it down with just a flash spray. I think this is the Pomelo Paradise. I love this scent at the moment. And I'm just going to wipe it down with my cleaning cloth, get rid of any dust and any watermarks.
Pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign.
I'm also going to clean all of the jars that I took off of my kitchen windowsill. I'm just going to completely dust them. They do get a bit dusty up here, and they can get watermarks from the sink as well. So I'm just going to give them all a really good wipe.
Moody. Moody. Oh, you big Moody. attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? About all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah.
Okay, into the family dining area of the kitchen. I never know what to call this. I'm going to tidy up in here. Obviously, Cooper is currently down for his nap, so the first thing I'm going to do is just get all of his toys out of the way so that I can start cleaning and focus on what I want to do in here.
There is only one of you, only one.
So first I'm going to turn my attention to the dining table. I've got out my beloved handheld hoover. This is the Invictus by JML. I will link it in the description box in case you want to have a look for yourself. So handy when you just want to suck up some crumbs and bits like that from breakfast. So I'm just going to suck up all of the bits before I wipe down the table.
But they're not gonna.
Again, I'm using the Flash Pomelo Paradise to wipe down the table and get rid of any sticky marks that have been made by my boys.
Is it a better life? Is the dancing underneath the disco lights? They can try, but they can never take.
I also just want to dust down this toy cabinet here that we have in the little play area. I've literally been on the sofa in here for 5 days, just staring at it, thinking that it needs a good dust and a wipe down. So it feels so good to finally have the energy to do it.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid.
I was also desperate to give the sofa a little clean. Like I said, you know, me and Cooper have been pretty much living on this sofa, so I just want to give it a good cleanse. I've put some cleaning solution on my cloth and I'm just using that damp cloth to wipe down the surface of the sofa and give it a good little clean.
It's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me.
We are due to have a heat wave this week. This is the first warm day, and then apparently it's going to be really, really warm next week. Thank goodness I'm feeling better in time to enjoy it. So I'm going to uncover all of the garden furniture and get that ready for a lovely week ahead.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
Into the living room now, and there is just one job that I'm desperate to do while I'm on it, which is just wipe down the cabinets here. I'm going to just dust the top, but I want to focus on the front of the cabinets. My delightful bulldog Trevor, who you might know if you're a subscriber, loves to rub his face and scratch his face on the cabinets here, which can give them really lovely marks, which I then need to clean off. So that's another thing I'd really noticed this past week, and I've been really looking forward to giving them a good clean.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely.
Okay, Okay, upstairs now, and I'm going to focus on the boys' bathroom. I don't have the energy to clean all 4 of the bathrooms, so I'm just going to focus on the boys' bathroom for today. I'm going to take out all of the towels and I'm going to put them in a pile ready to be washed. And I've just noticed that there are smears on my camera lens. That is probably thanks to my darling son, who just loves to fiddle with my camera lens, so I do apologise about that. But I'm going to fold over the one clean towel ready for bath time later. I'm going to tidy away all of the bath toys out of the bath and get that ready to be cleaned.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts.
To clean the bath today, I'm using the Cif bathroom foam, which is so good for large surface areas like this. It gets really foamy and you feel like you've given it a really good clean, and I'm going to be using a minky sponge to do this as well.
Put your love on me. What you need from me? Need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me. Put your faith in me. Put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time.
And the boys' sink, because it's always covered with toothpaste marks. If you know, you know. So I'm using my Flash Pomelo Paradise to just spray down, and I'm going to use a fresh cloth to wipe down the sink, get rid of any toothpaste marks, and I'm going to wipe down all of the mirror, the soap dispenser, the toothpaste holder, all of the bits that go on top of it as well, and make sure they're all shiny and clean.
Someone else can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me, your love.
Now, using the same spray but a different cloth, I'm going to work on the boys' toilet. I always remember years ago hearing Emily Norris say pink for the sink and blue for the loo. And I try and remember that. It's a really good way of remembering what colour cloth to use in each area. So I'm using my blue cloth now to wipe down the boys' toilet.
Enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet.
Just going to put a bit of toilet gel in there as well and let that sit for a minute. And here is my shadow, just in time to wreck all of the bath toys that I neatly put away. While that toilet gel is just sitting there for a moment, I'm just going to do my little hotel trick that I love to do with the toilet roll. You just fold it into a little triangle, put it under the tap, make sure the tap has been run so that the end of the tap is wet, and it just stamps it, and it looks really cute and neat, and I just love to do it.
Your love, your love, your love, your love, put your love on me.
I'm going to use my silicone toilet brush just to scrub the toilet gel now. I love this toilet brush because it's so thin. I can get right into the little gaps and up the little gaps at the top here and just make sure the toilet is super, super clean. Really important after we've all had a stomach bug as well. Now to use my Beldray spray mop to just clean the floors. I love this spray mop so much. You can fill it with whatever you want. I think it's currently filled with the Flash French soap all-purpose cleaner. And the thing I really love about this mop is how the head can twist round corners. If you see me here, I can really get into all the nooks and crannies of the toilet. I can twist it round and get down the sides, and it's just a really, really good handy mop to have.
Drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a vibe when we are talking.
While I'm upstairs, the last thing I want to do is hoover all of the carpets. This has been something that I have not done for days because of the energy that it takes to hoover, but I finally feel up to it and it feels so good to hoover all throughout upstairs. I'm going to hoover all of the bedrooms. I also hoovered the dressing room, the spare room and our bedroom, and of course the boys' rooms and the landing, and oh, that feeling of satisfaction when it's done and you see those hoover lines, nothing beats it. to make it smell extra fresh and clean, I'm going to go over it with the Fabuloso fabric spray.
I wanna set your world on fire.
Last thing I'm going to do is grab those towels that you saw me get out of the boys' bathroom, and I'm going to put them in the washing machine that is now ready for a load. So I'm just going to grab myself a washing tab and some softener, and I'm going to turn on the washing machine. And I just love hearing the hum of a washing machine. It makes me feel so productive and positive. I don't know why. It really, really works for me. So I'd love that to be the final thing that I do this morning during my big reset and clean. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I am absolutely sweltering, sweating so much because this heat wave has kicked in. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope I got you motivated on this Monday, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.